Discover how to create chatbots that understand and maintain context using OpenAI's API, enhancing your skills in developing personalized, accurate, real-time conversational agents.
Did you know that 80% of users abandon chatbots after a single use due to lack of context understanding? Welcome to our channel, where today we will transform your chatbot into a conversational genius using OpenAI's API. By the end of this video, you'll know how to implement context handling features that make your chatbot applications more intelligent and user-friendly. So, if you're ready to take your chatbot skills to the next level, hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
The OpenAI API is a powerful tool for developing chatbots that process natural language with an impressive degree of understanding. It can generate human-like text, summarize content, and even code. The API's real-time interaction capabilities mean you can create applications that respond almost instantaneously. However, while OpenAI's models are highly capable, they do come with limitations, such as occasional biases or generating incorrect information. Integrating OpenAI's API with your existing systems enables seamless enhancements to your current chatbot functionalities, paving the way for more personalized user interactions.
Setting up the OpenAI API for your chatbot is straightforward. First, create an OpenAI account and generate your API key from the dashboard. Make sure to keep this key secure. Next, set up your development environment. Whether you prefer Python, JavaScript, or another language, OpenAI provides comprehensive documentation and examples. For Python users, installing the OpenAI package via pip is the first step. Once your environment is ready, you can make your first API call to test the setup. This involves writing a simple script to send a prompt and receive a response, ensuring everything is working correctly. Maintaining context in a conversation is crucial for meaningful interactions. One technique is to use conversation history by storing key parts of previous interactions. This allows the chatbot to refer back to past exchanges, creating a sense of continuity. Session management strategies, such as session IDs, help track user interactions over time. Implementing memory mechanisms allows chatbots to remember user preferences and previous topics. However, be cautious of common pitfalls like excessive memory use, which can lead to slower performance. Balancing memory and performance is key to effective context management.
Multi-turn conversations involve multiple exchanges between a user and a chatbot. Designing an effective conversation flow is key to handling these interactions smoothly. Start with understanding the user's intent, then guide the conversation with strategically designed prompts. This involves anticipating user responses and crafting follow-up questions that maintain engagement. Use natural language understanding to interpret the user's input accurately. Effective use of prompts keeps the conversation on track and prevents misunderstandings. Remember, the goal is to maintain a natural flow that feels intuitive to the user. Personalization is a powerful tool for enhancing user experience. By incorporating user data, chatbots can tailor responses to individual preferences and past interactions. However, it's crucial to collect and use this data ethically. Ensure users are aware of data collection and agree to your privacy policy. Use the collected data to refine responses, making them relevant and engaging. Always prioritize privacy and data protection, balancing personalization with user trust. By doing so, you create a chatbot that feels more human and less machine, ultimately leading to higher user satisfaction. Testing is a vital phase in chatbot development. It helps identify and fix issues related to context handling. Common problems include context loss and incorrect responses. Use debugging tools to trace errors and understand the chatbot's decision-making process. An iterative testing approach testing, feedback, and refinement ensures your chatbot evolves with improved performance. Regularly update your model and test new features to maintain reliability. Continuous improvement is key, as technology and user expectations evolve. By thoroughly testing and debugging, you ensure your chatbot delivers accurate and contextually relevant interactions. To improve chatbot performance, focus on optimizing response time, ensuring users receive answers quickly. Enhance your language models by fine-tuning them for specific domains, improving accuracy. Integrate user feedback loops to continuously adapt to user needs and preferences. Reducing memory usage without sacrificing context retention is critical for efficient performance. Regularly update your chatbot's models and infrastructure to keep pace with technological advancements and security requirements. By following these best practices, you create a responsive, intelligent, and reliable chatbot that meets user expectations. Context in natural language processing, NLP, refers to the surrounding text or circumstances that help interpret meaning and intent. In chatbots, context is essential for understanding the user's intent accurately. For instance, a user's query like "What's the weather?" requires context to know the location being referred to. Challenges in context detection include ambiguity and varying user inputs. However, advancements in machine learning and AI are promising improvements in this area. Future trends point towards more sophisticated context-aware systems that offer seamless, intuitive user interactions.
Congratulations! You've learned how to build context-aware chatbots using the OpenAI API. We've covered everything from understanding API capabilities to handling multi-turn conversations and personalizing interactions. Now, it's your turn to apply these techniques and build smarter chatbots. We'd love to hear about your progress, so share your experiences and questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights in our upcoming videos, where we delve deeper into AI and machine learning. Until next time, keep innovating and creating.